Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin seated with feet flat and spine neutral. Set the seat height so your knees sit just under the bar when your arms are straight. Grip the bar where you plan to pull narrow, shoulder, or wide, and wrap your thumb under the bar for security. Once the weight is selected, plant your chest slightly proud, inhale to brace your core, and initiate a controlled, strong pull to start the first repetition without momentum. You pull by driving your elbows down and back so the lats do the work. Think about squeezing your shoulder blades together as the bar approaches your upper chest. Keep your torso steady, lean back only a few degrees, and avoid jutting your head forward. Once the bar touches the sternum area, pause briefly, then lower with control for 2 to 3 seconds to maximize tension. Make sure to breathe. Exhale on the pull and inhale on the descent. You finish each set by fully extending your arms while keeping tension in your shoulders. Reset your core and posture before the next rep to prevent cumulative form breakdown. If you notice swinging, neck strain, or incomplete range, decrease the load and focus on technique instead of reps. When pain persists, swap to neutral grip variations or seated cable rows to maintain horizontal pulling strength. Finally, consult staff if machine alignment seems off. Addressing hardware fixes prevents recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.